Have you ever said, "He goed to campus," and someone corrected you, and now you're confused? Like, why walked is correct, but goed is totally wrong. English verbs don't make sense sometimes. And the worst part? You keep making the same mistakes again and again. But don't worry, in the next few minutes, you'll finally understand regular and irregular verbs, once and for all. Let's start simple. Regular verbs are easy. You just add ed. Close, closed, work, worked, wash, washed, talk, talked. That's it, no drama. Now, irregular verbs. This is where things get crazy. Go becomes went. Drink becomes drank. See becomes saw. There is no pattern. But here's the trick. You don't memorize randomly. You group them. Some stay the same. Cut, cut, cut. Some change vowel. Sing, sang, sung. Some are completely different. Go, went, gone. That makes it much easier. Let's test you. What's the past of go? 3, 2, 1. Go becomes went. Now, take. 3, 2, 1. Take becomes took. Now you understand verbs? But here's where people still get confused. When they turn them into questions. Like, did you went? Sounds right, but it's not.